I'm down here at Pinnacle 4x4 and I just had to take you behind the scenes inside one of Australia's best four-wheel drive workshops right here in Brisbane. Now, you probably didn't know this, but we actually leave our vehicles here in between a lot of trips to get all the servicing and pre-trip maintenance done of our vehicles, because at the end of the day, we're taking them to some of Australia's toughest conditions. We need to know that our vehicles can handle the next trip. Now, these guys don't just do maintenance on vehicles, they do some of the best builds right here in Australia. So let me take you inside so you can have a look at all the action. Now, as you can see, the workshop down here at Pinnacle 4x4 is very, very impressive. And inside, some of the vehicles are even more impressive. These guys are really famous for building up 200 series. I mean, dream four-wheel drives. Everything from GVM upgrades right through to full U-chops. These guys will really turn your dream four-wheel drive into a reality. The other thing you'll soon learn and appreciate about Pinnacle 4x4 is they speak four-wheel drive. These guys are four-wheel drive enthusiasts. They're not just regular mechanics. So they understand what we put our vehicles through. And that's why we trust them with all the four-wheel drive 24/7 vehicles. It doesn't matter if you're looking to service your four-wheel drive and get it trip ready, or you're looking to build your ultimate dream tourer. The guys here at Pinnacle 4x4 really understand four-wheel drives. In fact, that's why we trust them with our vehicles. Now, they're on all social media platforms, but best of all, give them a call and book your four-wheel drive in today.